Hi guys, Pooja here. Let's see what our charms tell us today. I hope you guys are having a great day. New day, new beginnings. Remember that. Okay, first I'll let you see the charms. Maybe somebody or someone can start identifying with them. Okay. This is a bull. So there can be many Taurians also watching this. Bull means strength, and bull means lot of power, strength, and resistance. So we should be like that in when we are in a sad, worrisome situations are stuck, but we should not get up. Not give up. I apologize. So this represents or symbolizes that never give up attitude. All the Taurians must be knowing that very well. I'm a Taurian myself. Ask me. Okay. Now let's go with this. This can tell me or tell you guys that some of y'all are in music, some love to play some instrument, and it is time, or maybe it's a long time y'all know how to play, but y'all have left playing that instrument. It's time to pick it up again and play it for yourself. And it also symbolizes a letter A. It can be a name, place of a restaurant, place of a company, some road, anything. Please take what resonates. Okay. In India, we call this Nazar Battu, or it is to keep evil eye away. So these are green chilies. They are 7. This is a lime, and this is a small piece of charcoal. In India, we put them in front of houses, or in front of our vehicles, cars, or anything like this, even in offices, etc., at the door, starting of the door. So this symbolizes somebody is jealous of you, somebody doesn't think very good of you. So please, what you can do is not tell about your goals and ideas to everybody, because a wrong energy can throw them off the course. Be more careful. Okay. Someone or somebody of you are in the process of buying a new house. It can be a second house also. It can be a countryside house also. It can be a farmhouse. So it represents that it can take place in a few months, very soon. Congratulations, guys. Okay, this is a pocket watch. So this represents a very good time is coming. Things are going to change in a positive way. So be positive, and the good times are just around the corner. This bird, I think of it as a woodpecker, and this shows that some of you guys are working very hard. How the woodpecker keeps on pecking on the tree or the wood continuously, tack 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 tack. You all are working very hard and with full concentration on some project, some idea, some dream plan of you guys. That's great. Do not give up. Hard work never loses. Keep going on. Okay. Okay. This is a for movies they say no action, like, so this can mean many things. It can mean you guys are going for a movie, but for me it also means it is time to change the movie or the script of the movie of a life, right? instead of saying or repeating the old script. This happened, this didn't happen, I didn't like this, ऐसा हो गया, वैसा हो गया. It's we have to now start writing a new script. Write a script what you want. Stop repeating what you don't want, please. I'll be making a video on this soon, as soon as I get some more time. So this represents writing a new script of our life from wherever we are, from whichever situation we are. Okay, so as I always do nowadays, I'll throw in a few charms for you guys to see what resonates. I hope you can see. This is a flower or a garden. This can be some news or information. Stay as you all are going somewhere, walking towards some destination of yours, reaching some place very soon. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and please check out my Instagram channel also. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.